Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this iconic 1979 VW Beetle Type 1. Hop on in, we'll do a cold start and walk you through it. Okay, again, 1979 VW Beetle convertible. We'll do a cold start here. Boom, starts right up. It's a 1.6 liter fuel injected 4-speed manual gearbox. VW Beetle, obviously very iconic. It was in production from 1938. 79 was the last year that it came into the States, but they continued to be produced in Mexico till 2003. So we'll warm it up and we'll be back. All right, so here we are. 79 VW Beetle, fuel injected, 1.6 liter air cooled, 48 horsepower. Really plenty of power for this little car. It's got Bosch dual port fuel injection, 4-speed manual gearbox, convertible. Beautiful day to be in a convertible. It's got these great vent windows, dual side mirrors. Again, recent fresh servicing with brand new tires. Adjusted the clutch, adjusted the brakes. Car really drives well, feels good, good steering. Again, iconic VW Beetle. Great 4-seater. Throw the kids in the back, go get ice cream. Really, really great little car. Black on black, tan carpets. Beautiful tan cocoa mats as well. We'll take you up to the S's and we'll be back to you. All right, so here we are. Take her through the S's here a little bit. Really, for what it is, it's a great cruising car. Easy to drive, easy to shift, good power, suspension, brakes, everything feels really good. Always getting thumbs up, people always acknowledging what you're driving. One of those cars where pretty much everybody knows what it is. We'll pull up here, we'll do some drive-bys, and we'll be back to you. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Really fun to drive car. Very well equipped as well. Modern retro sound radio, speedometer, the fuel gauge, turn signals. It's have a video quartz clock. Really nice driving car. Ready for its next owner. One of those cars where I feel like almost every collection should have a Beetle in it. We'll take her up to the farm road, open her up a little bit, and we'll be back to you. All right, so here we are. Open it up. 79 VW Beetle Type 1 convertible. 31,000 original miles, and it feels it. Really solid driving car. Great vent windows, you get great air. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Even on this balmy Friday afternoon here. It's a bit hot, but great cooling air from everywhere. Great open air motoring. So like and comment below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.